In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MX records on Namecheap. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Namecheap, where you can purchase a domain name at an affordable price. Once the website loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout before proceeding. After you have reached the Namecheap homepage, look for the option to sign into your account. Clicking on sign in will take you to the login page. Enter your account credentials to access your personal account. This will direct you to your Namecheap dashboard in a few moments. The dashboard is a central location where you can manage all the details of your registered domains and any additional services you may have. Once you have successfully logged in and reached the dashboard, direct your attention to the domain list section. This is where you can view all the domain names you have registered with Namecheap. Carefully select the domain you wish to update by clicking on it. A well-organized list will display your domains, making it easy to identify the one you intend to modify. After selecting your domain, a page with various management options will appear. Locate and click on the Manage option to open the domain management settings. This area contains many of the features you require to configure your domain settings properly. Now that you are in the domain management section, find and click on the Advanced DNS tab. The Advanced DNS area is where detailed configurations become possible, allowing you to customize settings such as subdomains, CNAME records, and more importantly, your MX records. The MX records are vital for directing email traffic associated with your domain. Within the advanced DNS settings, shift your attention to the mail settings section. This area specifically deals with email configurations and is where you will make changes to the MX records. You will see a setting that allows you to choose different types of MX records. Select the option labeled Custom MX. Choosing this option will give you the freedom to add or edit an MX record for your domain. Once the Custom MX option is active, you are ready to add or modify the MX record details. Enter the necessary information provided by your email service provider, ensuring that every detail is correct because email delivery depends on these settings. While entering the information, check to make sure there are no typographical errors and that the domain for the email service is typed correctly. After you have carefully input all the information required for the MX record, it is important to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes option and click on it. Saving your changes finalizes the entire process, and your domain will now route email traffic according to the new settings you have specified. This process should only take a few minutes and, when completed correctly, ensures that your email services are properly associated with your domain. Following these clear step-by-step instructions on Namecheap will help you establish an effective email routing setup quickly and confidently. Enjoy the convenience and control over your domain management and email configurations that Namecheap provides.